We were using Basecamp for many years. As our team and our needs really grew, Basecamp wasn't the perfect fit for us anymore. I decided on Teamwork because there was a lot of functionalities. Everything ultimately can be done inside Teamwork. I no longer needed to piece together a lot of different software, and my team wasn't logging in and out of a lot of different software and then going into something else to talk to the client. It kind of was a perfect fit for us. As far as us onboarding our team, we are doing quick little screen recordings of each step. We actually have one for our client approval process as well. So we have one to welcome the client and what they can expect inside Teamwork and how they can approve, whether it's their copy or the website edits, things like that. I love that we can brand our own backend so it looks like it's part of our business, and our clients are going to feel way more taken care of than they were previously, because it makes us look a lot more organized than compared to the previous agencies they have worked with, where it's kind of all back and forth in just a Google sheet or back and forth through email. It looks like a seamless process that we really know what we're doing. Which we knew what we were doing before we used Teamwork, but this makes it just more visible to the client. I love how approachable the leadership is with inside Teamwork, which I really wasn't ever expecting, but I love that they are specifically focusing moving forward on agencies and really open to the feedback that we have and what we need as agency owners to really grow our business and what they could do to support.